binaka tabani mbula binaka en donna kalle bu nan binaka
Iyo.
de kibri Kli paka din binaka bulu bi tokan ni signi buli paka kira na daga ka ni signi binaka ko en binaka dams en binaka eleno
Yanrabinaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Another new week of hustling. And Amadha Ongoba Nunibinaka to all the students that are tuning in from the public transport, heading to school this morning. And also to the hardworking parents that are on their way to work.
Right.
Some may be running late this morning because Sawyer, Sambi Busar may Bagamataka, they have projects to finish. They have certain work things. Filing things,
Yes.
to finish documents.
Yes.
And also to the hardworking mothers at home, hardworking fathers at home that are tuning in from home this morning, having breakfast maybe. Good
Morning to the LT1230.
All right.
To the driver of the Black Arrow taxi. Good morning, Tadingo Dabski and the family, to all over the Fiji taxi driver. Good morning to you. And also to Ben Tari, the bus driver from Lokia to Siba. Good morning, Suba. Good morning to all the passengers joining this morning. To the hospital of Sabu Sabu.
Right.
GT544 by Poli. Rungrunga uan rage Sabu Sabu. And Matakanikua.
And the police constable in Sabu
Junior Sahatoki.
Oi
Sabi nga raw siya may sangani.
Mo isangani. Anda siya turang tao nalodi ang burbi to kadian mataka ni Vengaravi ni
Hey,
all the bus drivers.
good morning to SK.
Oh, SK.
Elijah Hawaii. SK celebrating his 39th birthday today. Scorpion King. We wish him a very good morning and happy birthday.
Don't be kaya if you want to see his na tamang balik ko. Sa siguro ko rin na Facebook page, ngay bita may kina ng birthday wish. May son and mataka ni Vengaravi
Scorpion King and Marika Bunimbaka. Birthday today from Vione in Ngau.
Twins.
Yeah, they are Nrua.
Right.
Like the Nrua because they same day.
Right.
Mel na lebu pito tawake mbula binakato, wani binakana matabi na likuwa, libay fong salaibuya sa mambula. Ini rabulon dombula.
You were talking about some lotion or what?
It's like a oil. Oil that you can use to manipulate in your head.
Right.
If
to
you
awaken the cells of your head that is dying. So that it can regrow.
It may you lose some hair due to the age you are in or the genetic evolution you are. So kaya baka sa lotion Rika, if you lose your hair. Sometimes you are being spoiled by some people. Sometimes you want to be look
you miss
young.
having hair. Sometimes you miss having hair.
Some time it's not about age. Some ito tole do ngone. But you can use you can do na matanggal way selling in the showcase. Umbe na ulume tumutali. You grow your hair while you are manipulate in your head. They're coming a long way from India. The dialect they use is
different.
Different.
Different from the dialect that our brothers here use, brothers and sisters here use.
Right.
Tania Landaroya, Yanbinaka, my Tonga. And good morning to Yazin George. Fiji Showcase 2026. Another day today.
Cape Town still Sunday.
Right? Oh, in Cape Town, still Sunday today. Right.
Bula Benaka. To the Ortonan Ruotolu. Lydia Mbamba Kombau. Ave Ortona triplets. Bula Benaka. They are today, both day to today. Mundu Korlo may be.
Hey, my sister Delaiva is tuning in this morning. Nurse, Nasiba.
Oh, Keridula.
Right.
Okay, I think our brother, the driver of the Motoloa, should go into the showcase.
Wait, before we go there, would like to say good morning to our Tamale Junior Masikao Mateo, Awai Loku Depo, this one from Waitambu in Tabiuni.
Oh, Yanabinaka. Siya ko, tabi ko tas. Kaya ba tayo malibuli na inalok-alok na, nalibibili dorbo talakino ka.
That's the reason.
Kaya kabinaka, chiko tala na Canada. Nalok-alok, libabun talon ribibili dorbo irnangasi.
Because when you pour the thing on your head, now we are only 3 times a week. So when you pour in your hair, the hair, baka nga may tumbo may mosangga yo ang bakitolo siyang bakirua may sa tumbo binang may naulumo. The black and the healthy hair you are.
Okay.
But you'll never need a charcoal mendona benalwaloa on your head. He himself will make your hair grow nice, health, and black.
Wana na kembali baka ngatin do na ite. Eran do na baka me organic.
Iya.
Do na organic mo na titi sa mga takina do talaka.
We
Sambi
must-
kino ka matakira kakana.
Iya.
Eh?
Yeah, truce. Chino Achebe, good morning. Have a blessed day to Okonko
Iyo.
and the family this morning. Amani sor kuberata
I'll
mbelaka.
call my name.
I had to call my name. And Keidolo Junior joining this
Wala mo
morning.
dia platakin balunta.
You can, Atu.
If you want to have a beard,
Yeah, you can.
right? If you want to have beard,
Kaya baka iko...
If
We
you
will
want to
demo.
have
Sana
thick
demo takibi.
eyebrows,
Sana demo takibi at member man. Member man.
Now the thing that I'm thinking about is can do apply takadala.
Iya, apply takadala.
That's the
Right.
dangerous thing.
Iya, kaya baka nangay apply takadala.
Iya.
Awang mo to ko sa rabato tungo na zoo.
Hah?
Hena numin debe ya.
Iya,
Kaya buti-buti amay.
Iya, de lako do bingar chuko do na bumbu ibale.
Iya.
Ke sinuli ko pinaka ko na pos mapertane buli tukina. Ke chuko papalelai.
oh, kaya
Ena baka rere talibi papalelay.
Hah?
Ena baka rere.
Siya nga papalilay mo na nga, nira nga, nira dosang sangka,
Iya.
ira do biya pa tabula
Kaya
experiment.
kayo borong bumbu matala o ka na baka rere may papalelay.
Iya, papalilay talaga.
Kaya naman talaga papalelay sa saon talaga doon na busi. Isa buti-buti amay sa pakumina. Good morning to everybody joining this morning. Maten itu kana.
Iya.
Adi kumulare tinaibani.
No,
bro
Martina.
Tana. Kam.
No, Martina, yan mo na kayava, and KVS.
Yeah.
Right. Ay
That's
sa kawitana, Muhammad.
I was wondering and I asked them, hey, how you apply 3 times a day?
Iya.
Some
A week.
people will...
3 times a
Tapos
day,
sila.
say 3 times a week.
Yeah.
Tapos serala.
Iyo.
People listening now from Maniaba, this is for you.
Iyo.
Kung na imbela ni ulu.
Right.
Ni o tapos lang ditong ko, siya ngone darubong ngone Sara. He is young, but he lose hair. He lose hair, wala ito nga, nalibon ni baka nananu baka Italia.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Nanono ta.
Wala na lupa. Sambala pun lang ako sa tawa ito, tapos lang dito. Hey!
Yeah, iya. Mo matendo nang ngono pinang nandang sa tadi. It's a good time
Yeah.
for the family to be
Yeah.
down at the feed showcase 2026 because all the things that you need for
Right.
one family is
Right.
there. Almost more than 100 booths are there.
Right.
To merang weekend.
Yeah.
Karena boleh tak they sell their products.
Accommodate all your wants and needs.
Iyo, and they sell binaka tondua
Sara.
and the round ita butrikwa.
Okay, entertainments, the duo Bella.
Oh,
Wait,
Bella.
talk about the
Yes.
Ozibela.
The
Ozibela.
Ozibela,
Iyo.
the duo. Good morning to Collins Tawake.
Yeah.
Iyo.
They coming from one from Belarus,
Yeah.
one from Australia.
The lady from Australia.
Yeah.
The husband and wife, they partners.
Yeah, they are partners.
Yeah.
What is your experience?
The
first time you see
experience.
the...
Is how the magic they have.
Right,
First of all, the clothes.
right. What about
Just
the
second.
clothes?
The second.
Oy.
The clothes you just okay kinta lang nga sabi sa talon rasul. One sige nga inside.
Yeah?
They put like a kami bilo mentang
Iya.
Ito na mo sila ba?
Yeah.
You just
Stock
look.
ini.
Ha?
Makana stock ini.
Yeah. Yeah, socks and then...
Iyo,
put it up.
stock put it up.
Yeah.
The girl inside, the men outside.
Right.
The men doing the sige.
Right.
Yeah.
About 3 seconds, when going down, the
The
clothes
clothes
change.
change.
How fast they doing the magic. And also, when they coming outside,
Right,
only one hand.
right.
Sanggay bimbale sanga tuna sa bayalewa.
Yeah.
Pues the flexible body they have,
Flexibility, eh?
Flexibility, and I see the man very fit.
Right.
How he holds the.
You see the posture? Did you notice the posture of the man? He's always standing like this.
How,
Very good posture, eh?
Yeah.
Even when he's sitting here, when he came for the interview.
Yeah.
how you see the posture?
Good posture like this.
Okay, nakasanang kaya ko after they tell their part in the feed showcase today
Yeah.
and external stage. Saranong kailan din ita ke o dos bata kay Dems.
Bakit
Meron
ba?
kay mga murmura na karon na kabo si Bella. Yeah.
Raking ko ato.
Nabebesoy sulo, miniti ka.
Mga bago!
Yung saset ba, una ko na ba isa usulot? Talaga na pat ni Bilabe. O na may nalabi ito kita.
Forward rewind.
Saya nga, nabilay mo, yung kumunang kailan may timbika.
Ha?
Ikaw mo nagaling
Okay,
ng
set
timika.
ang rawa.
Yeah.
Ahora labi timika,
Alright.
yung mika may lumunronro. May labi sisiyakin ng kangkalo.
Ay, lay, ano niyan na ka na sino gospel primary school.
Bangor.
Nasa
Nasa North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole.
Mula bilang to the Lasino Gospel Primary School to the students, the teachers,
Yeah.
Joshua, turangan duwan-duwan nga naway.
Yan naman ka.
Makut Kagalo bulan,
Oke.
nunggu basu.
Kenapa ba si me kapuno?
Ebra kami na kata yo Linggo rati na turbo di Brazil
Iya.
Kuasa
Duta ini.
Santo Teringa.
Iya.
And the kids love him
Entertainment
Iya,
pa sa kilay na
entertainment
ba
device,
maruta kita
Yang
matay.
pinaka may maaway libo may nalaw may rahe, yang pinaka, ni yang pinaka.
Na karo da kamu tu osipela be kimno kan da beda ka kulili ba
Certo,
burbur ya.
Roy.
Bata sa kabe kan da kana teknik bata kina
Ya sayang paki, bayang paki na.
Sabay pa kan
practice,
da kamu tu.
Iya.
Tu kun mantang raw. Raw performance do na wangri sarbanua. Wes ayo serang ya.
Kaya pa samata kaya kami dala ka may bale,
Iya.
dala ka kami watini.
Iya.
Saya minta ka raking ko tako sarita ka. Never.
Iya.
Never play with this game, this kind of weather.
Din sar ke ka tu na ba kile ba binaka.
Iya.
Kan duitu no da talent.
Hindi na sana.
Kaya ka chuko bigo da talent nindo bi ba maruta ke ba ka takir nang itu minggu ibit.
Numilawo.
Siguro nga namila bo komay.
Hmm?
Da konchu bi si burbura.
Iya, biasa burbura.
Uy rako sar lagu tu bi si burbura.
Right.
Balat sar nga talent sa lagu tunggu.
Ah.
Uy ko bata ka mo na ka mo magic mo ali suri.
Libo sa uri me bangkarin na bakawat.
Ya liwatu ha.
Libo me
Alright, bata ka na mataka like har bata ka na mo siya go kurmudu.
Ah,